Good morning. It is a big winter storm. Ginger and Cash enjoying the snowflakes. And there's the radar over there. Surprise. We didn't expect this. So we'll keep you tuned in. Keep you informed of the snow here at Blue Ray Ranch. I'm gonna be with the herd. The herd here loves the snow. What do you think, Gingy? Gingy is a Haflinger pony. Love it, don't you? Ginger loves the snow. And there's Cash. Cash, what do you think about this snow, huh? I'm just not sure. I think I'm from Idaho. But I love the snow too.